Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking your palette. Load a gritty waveable or FM bass, a detuned lead, and a soft pad for atmospheres. Once done, route clean drum samples, 808 kick, layered snare, tight hi-hats to separate channels. Make sure to set BPM between 140 and 160 and choose a key so all parts align. You're starting with the bones, synth timbres, drum clarity, and tempo. This immediate focus saves time when you enter sound design and arrangement. Now you sculpt the hybrid elements. Route the bass through distortion and multi-band compression to keep low-end tight while adding mid-range bite. Then automate pitch slides and use a formant filter for vocal-like character. At the same time, craft a lead with detune, fast LFO modulation on the filter, and controlled reverb for space. Once done, lock the groove using sidechain to the kick, apply groove templates to hi-hats, and place chopped vocal chops and FX to glue transitions. You finalize the track by arranging clear sections, intro, build, drop, breakdown, and automate filter opens and parameter switches to maintain energy. Then mix, carve frequencies with EQ, bus compress for cohesion, and add subtle saturation, reference at about -6 dB to check balance. Once done, render stems and test on multiple systems. If things go wrong, first check phase relationships and muddy low end with polarity flips and a high pass on non-bass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.